Hey there, little explorers. It's Miss M, and today we're going on a super quick safari to meet some amazing birds. Like the soaring vulture, the tall marabou stork, and the dancing gray-crowned crane. Plus, you'll see the helpful cattle egret and the clever Hamerkop. Each of these birds has something special to share. From cleaning up the jungle to building giant nests, they're all pretty incredible. So get ready for some fun and learning in the jungle. Join me on this quick safari and let's discover the wonders of the bird world together. See you soon, explorers.